Hello and welcome to the Elmo E4 show here in DC. My name is Dennis Mariasis and I am with Tripp Lite. Today we're going to show you the new Eco Power outlets. With our Eco Power outlets, we are able to take these pieces and plug in a computer, a laptop, and have a master switch. With that master switch now, we will monitor the power of the local computer. When the computer goes into hibernation or is shut off, it will in turn turn off all of the other outlets that are associated with the system. By turning off your other outlets, it will now kill what's called your vampire loads or vampire electronics, which help you save money and go green. By doing this, we have found that a user can save anywhere from $10 to $50 a year in savings from those vampire loads that end up sucking electricity from the wall and your pocketbook. Again, this is Dennis Mariasis from E4 in DC.